Welcome to my tutorial on setting up Waves on the Soundcraft Si Impact. I've created this guide both for you and as a memory aid, so I don't forget the sequence of my patches and settings. First, my dry input channels are assigned from 1 through 14 and then 23 and 24. The vocal channels directed to Waves are laid out between channels 15 and 22. Finally, my Waves return channels are mapped from 33 to 40. The setup logic is straightforward. Dry vocals are directed to monitors. Waves returns are routed to the mains. For illustration, let's consider channel 15, receiving a dry vocal input from the stagebox. This dry channel is mixed for monitors, meaning the LR is turned off. The vocal is fed to Waves via the direct out patch. Inside SuperRack, the vocal signal arrives, processes through a plug-in chain, and then routes back. The process signal returns on channel 33 for that dry input. Thus, channel 33 is your Waves return for channel 15, mixed for front of house with LR enabled, and it remains out of the monitor mix. Replicate this pattern across all vocal channels to maintain consistency. Just remember, dry to monitors, Waves to mains, your reliable Waves setup on the Soundcraft Si Impact.